Pity is nothing to me. So no great achievements, I greet the days. May they come true soon.